Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Mac is current enough to support custom lock screen images. Check about this Mac and update if necessary. Once done, locate the image you want in Photos or Finder and remember its folder. Now open System Settings, on older Mac OS its System Preferences, and click Wallpaper. This gets you directly into the controls that change both desktop and lock screen backgrounds, so you're ready to pick or add your image without detours. Next, select the image source, the built-in Apple wallpapers or your imported photo folder. Click Add Folder if your picture isn't already listed, then select the image to see a live preview. You can drag to reposition, pinch to zoom, or use crop controls to frame it exactly how you want. Make sure to choose between still, dynamic, or color options. This affects how the lock screen looks versus the desktop. Adjust until the preview matches your intended composition and tone. Finally, apply the image. Click Set and choose Lock Screen, Desktop, or both depending on what you need. Then lock your Mac or log out to verify the change immediately. If the new wallpaper doesn't show up, restart System Settings or reboot the Mac. Sometimes a quick restart forces the refresh. If problems persist, re-import the picture as a standard PNG or JPEG. And check for any managed profile or privacy settings that might prevent wallpaper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.